I still like to live. I want to live on them.
I took one time, I took 100 bananas, drank a big bottle of Jägermeister, down 3/4 of a gram of heroin, and woke up 8 hours later with the best sleep ever. I was like, if that didn't work, it just
It's important that you focus on why you're here, Jeff.
Oh, God, I know why I'm here. I'm gonna get real angry in a minute here.
You can go to the show. Log on to top20.vh1.com to vote your favorite movie to air on VH1's video countdown. Hear more music, create your own playlist, and discover more about your favorite artists featured on VH1's video countdown. Go to Rhapsody.com. Rhapsody.com. Think it, hear and check out new episodes of VH1 Top 20 Video Countdown Saturday mornings at 9/8 Central, only on VH1.
Sponsored by Rhapsody. Rhapsody is the only place online where you can get all of Kid Rock's music, including his latest album, Rock and Roll Jesus. Listen to and download all his albums exclusively at Rhapsody.com/KidRock. Rhapsody, music without limits.
There's a Guitar Hero player inside every one of us. Follow me to KFC. Just grab a Guitar Hero, walk to a cup, go 1 and 6 chance to win instantly for a shot at the ultimate game. Only at KFC.
Hey, Greg's phone. Greg doesn't have AT&T, so we got 0 bars here in Brussels. So thanks for the call about hopping on the train and heading to Paris for the weekend. Looks like you won't be hearing from us. Instead, we're going to hang at this hostel with the Techno Twins, Slam Beater.
Best coverage. AT&T, more bars in more places. Get our exclusive LG Shine Phone $49.99 and get one free.
So what you going to get? No, check it out. Don't answer that. I know what we're going to get. Friday's right portion, right price menu. Hey, I'm talking big flavor here. Just the right amount of food. And it starts at just $5.99. So you'll have enough left over. You can buy those ladies some dessert.
Two losers.
We wanted to give you 30 years in jail, but instead you have to